is up? It is your girl Simone here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have this amazing curly wig from OMGqueen Hair, and so we're gonna do things a little bit different. I haven't dyed a wig in so long, and I wanted to just add some color to this and make things a little bit different versus me just doing a straight black wig as I usually do. So I'm gonna go ahead and pin it on my mannequin head, and we're gonna do a beautiful Cajun spice type of color. It was super easy. Follow along and I'm gonna show you step by step. So we have 40 Developer and Quick Blue Powder, which I got from my local Sally's, and I'm using 40 Developer because it strips the hair faster and just helps the process go by so much more smoother. So scoop out some scoops of powder and then mix it with the Developer, and you want a really nice creamy type of consistency before you get started. If you need to add more, go ahead and add more. So here I am just adding it to the hair. As I'm adding it to the hair, I am making sure that I'm brushing through the hair with my Denman brush, because you want to make sure that the dye spreads through the hair evenly. You don't want weird patches of light colors just all over the wig. You don't want it to look homemade, okay? You want it to look professional. So we're going to try to do it professional as possible. Make sure you're combing through the hair because it is curly hair. It is going to be tangled and get tangled. So I pretty much kept this dye on the hair for about a total of an hour. I would say in between, when you're gonna have to do this process twice to get it to try to lift the hair as much as possible. You could have done it 3 times, but I only wanted to do it twice. And so what I practically did was kept this on the hair for about an hour, and then in between I did shampoo the product out. I let it dry for a little bit before I went ahead and did the second process. Here's how it looks after an hour. It's light, but it's not light enough. This is how it looks when it's semi-dry. I kept the roots black because I just don't like my colored wigs or hair to start from the roots. Go ahead and repeat the process as I stated before. And then this is how it looks after. So it's a nice light color. Now originally I only wanted to wear the hair blonde. I was like, I'm gonna wear the hair blonde. That's just it. I love it this way. And so I bought some toners that I did add to the wig. Okay, so if you don't want to wear the hair blonde, totally skip this step and fast forward to the end of the video where I am just using the Cajun color. But I did feel it was necessary to add this in the video because that could also be the reason why the hair came out to be the color that it is. So I'm using 30 Developer, and then just put this all over the hair. Okay, so this is how it looks after an hour. So I did actually try on the wig when it was blonde. I loved it when it was wet. When it was dry, I wasn't a fan, and that's why I ended up doing Cajun. So here we have the Cajun wig. Here are the 2 products that I used. I just pretty much put this all over the wig, let it sit for about an hour, and then I just shinned the wig so that the color was washed out of it a little bit and nice and soft. I love this color way more than I did the blonde, so that's why I'm actually happy with my decision. Now I'm just gonna go into a series of just installing it, cutting the lace by the ears, and I did a stocking cap, which you guys know I hate, but I was just honestly in the mood and the mode and decided to just go ahead and do it. So it's pretty much sped up. Then I have my MAC powder and put this all over your bald cap. And now we're gonna go ahead and install the wig, and we're practically done. I love this color, guys. I think it's actually really nice. It's a nice change for me because you guys know I don't be changing up my color. I just wear straight up black. I love the hair. The hair was amazing. The curl was amazing. It just felt so nice and soft once it dried. It didn't feel like I over processed it, and this was pretty much the end result, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what your thoughts are on the color and if you're going to try it, because I loved it.